This is Gabe Marcucci, your IT manager, with a proposal for CRMX software, a customer relationship management software. We are proposing this for the Small Potatoes Travel Company. Recently, we were able to design and implement a new network topology, which has allowed our employees to share data on a rigorous new network. With that success behind us, we now turn our eyes forward to boosting our sales and marketing via a CRM software. Now, CRMs allow us to have an integrated approach to interactions with our customers, and they can support all aspects of the CRM lifecycle. So this includes sales, targeting and marketing, retention and win-back, superior experience, and the development and offerings. We're going to forge a strong relationship between our business and our customers by implementing the CRMX software. Now, even though a CRM can be used to manage the entire customer relationship lifecycle, we're not going to do that here. We're going to have a more narrow, focused approach and try to just hit the most strategic and crucial pieces of our relationship with our customers. So we do have some current inefficiencies in our customer relationship paradigm, and CRMX software is going to solve that for us. So as you may know, as the CIO, our current pricing is done by our travel agents, and it's a very manual process where they have to visit the site or call the vendor of the traveling or the destination and track that on their own. The CRMX software is going to allow us to have pricing available to us through an electronic data interchange with all of our suppliers' sites. The pricing is going to be available, and it's going to also have your capacity, all available destinations, and the dates of travel and the times. A second inefficiency we have is any kind of promotions that we want to offer our customers. Right now we have to manually request those, but now we're going to be able to see that in a centralized location through the CRMX software. Volume discounting, book ahead, and cyclical travel packages are all going to be shown right next to each other, and this is going to give us a lot more information available to our travel agents. Our third inefficiency is our sales. Specifically the bid and quote management. Right now those are on a spreadsheet by each travel agent, and also the order management. Once a bid has been accepted, also each individual travel agent has to track those manually. The CRMX software is going to give us a centralized view where we can see the current status of bids, and once those bids are accepted, we'll be able to track the status of those orders, and all the agents will be able to share information. I do hope you give this software a solid consideration and get back to us soon with your thoughts. Thank you.